I believe the easiest way to find the equation is to use the formula y equal mx plus b. Okay, and we know that we have an x value here of 3 and a y value of negative 3 and a slope of negative 1/3. So let's plug that information in and solve for b as in boy. So y is negative 3, slope is negative 1/3 times x, which is 3, plus b. So it's negative 3 equals, those 3's cancel, and you're left with negative 1 plus b. Add 1 to both sides, and you get negative 2 equal b. Now go back to y equal mx plus b, and substitute in what m is, which is negative 1/3, times x, substitute in what b is, minus 2.